In this video, I will show you how to download Google Drive. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to go ahead and download Google Drive on your PC or laptop, the first thing you're going to want to do is come across to the Google Drive website. To do that, just come across to google.com and simply type download Google Drive. And when you search for this, you want to click onto the top result that comes up. Now, once you're taken to this website, what you want to do, you're going to see a blue button which says Download Drive for Desktop. So what you want to do is give that a click. And as you can see, that's going to start downloading the setup program for Google Drive on your desktop. So once that's finished downloading, just go ahead and click to start installing this on your PC. And you just want to choose whether you want to add an application shortcut to your desktop, and then just click the install button. So it just takes a minute or two to run through and install Google Drive. Once that's done, it's going to ask if you want to automatically launch Google Drive, or if not, just simply click onto the close button. And now you'll see if we come back to my desktop, that Google Drive has now been installed. So we can double click just like so. And what that's going to do is load up Google Drive. Of course, when you first start with Google Drive on your desktop, you're going to have to sign in, or if you don't have a Google account, create an account from scratch. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and use Google Drive. So that is how to download Google Drive. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.